Hello guys, welcome back to VK Tutorials educational channel. If you visited the channel for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. In this video, we'll learn about the most important questions that have been asked in the previous year's board exam papers. This is very important for Telangana board students as well as students from Cbse. Do practice them. First question is, an observer flying at an altitude of 900 meter observes two ships in front of him which are in the same direction at an angle of depression of 60 degree and 30 degree. Find the distance between the two ships. So we have to find the distance between the two ships. Solution. By reading the question, we understand that there is an observer flying at an altitude of 900 meter above the ground. So suppose if this is our ground level, the observer is flying at 900 meter above the ground level. On looking down, he sees two ships in front of him. This should be our first ship and second ship. So he sees two ships in front of him. When he is seeing the first ship, there is an angle of depression of 60 degree, and when he is seeing the second ship, there is an angle of depression of 30 degree. By using our alternate interior angles, we say this is a 60 degree and this is 30 degree. Now giving letters to the diagram, that is ABCD, it looks something like this: A, B, C, D, where our C and D is our ships and AB is 900 meter. This is 60 degree and 30 degree. In triangle ABD, tan 30 is equals to opposite. What is opposite here? AB by adjacent is BD. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equals to AB is here 900 meter by BD. BD is what you have to find, we don't know. BD is equals to 900 root 3 meter. So now we got BD as 900 root 3 meter. Next, taking triangle ABC, we have tan 60 as opposite is AB by adjacent is BC. Tan 60 is root 3, AB is 900 by BC. Hence BC is equals to 900 by root 3 meter. Now what they have asked us to find is distance between the two ships, that is CD, right? CD. How can you find CD from the triangle? Just by subtracting BC from BD. Can I get CD? Yes. From BD, if I take away BC, I will be left out with CD. Using that, we will solve. The distance between the ships CD is equals to BD minus BC. That is, BD is 900 root 3 minus BC is 900 by root 3. That is equals to 900 root 3 into root 3 minus 900 divided by root 3. That is, root 3 into root 3 will give us 3. So therefore it is 900 into 3 minus 900 by root 3. 900 into 3 is 2700 minus 900 by root 3, which will give us 1800 by root 3 multiplied by root 3 into root 3. Always remember, the denominator should not be in root terms. So what you have to do is rationalize. Multiply and divide by root 3 by root 3. So you get 1800 root 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 600. So 600 root 3 meter is the distance between two ships. Second question is, a person from the top of building of height 15 meter observes the top and bottom of a cell tower with the angle of elevation as 60 degree and angle of depression as 45 degree respectively. Then what you have to find is height of the cell tower. Solution. On reading the question, we understand that there is a 15-meter high building on which a person is standing. there is a cell tower in front of him. When he sees the top of a cell tower, he is looking at an angle of elevation of 60 degree. Whereas when he is looking at angle of depression, that is when he is looking at the bottom, he is looking at a depression of 45 degree. So this should also be 45 degree. Let us do it, that is AB will be our building and CD is our cell tower. CD is what you have to find. If this is 15 meter, this should also be 15 meter. So let us consider this as E. In triangle ABD, we have tan 45 as opposite is AB by adjacent is BD. Tan 45 value is 1 and AB is given as 15. BD is what we don't know. So BD is equals to 15 meter. If BD is 15 meter, then A should also be equal to 15 meter. Why? Because the distance will be same between B and D and A and E. Next, in triangle AEC, tan 60 is equals to opposite. Opposite is CE by adjacent. Adjacent is AE. Tan 60 is root 3. That is equals to CE is what you have to find. AE is 15 meter. Therefore, CE is equals to 15 root 3 meter. What they have asked us to do is to find the cell tower. Cell tower here is CD. How can you find that? By adding CE plus ED. That is equals to, here CE we found out to be 15 root 3 and ED is found out to be 15 meter from the question itself. Therefore, taking 15 common, we have root 3 plus 1 meter. So this is our answer. Therefore, height of the cell tower is 15 root 3 plus 1 meter. Third question is, two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles. This question was given in March 2016. So let's solve. Solution. On reading the question, we understand that there are two poles. First pole, let the first pole be AB and the other pole is CD. They both have equal heights and they are between what? Between road, that is on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. Taking some point in between them, some point, it's not that it is in the middle, but some point. From that point, if you are seeing the top of the towers, if you see AB, it is at an angle of elevation of 60 degree, whereas CD is an angle of elevation of 30 degree. Let's proceed with our solution. In triangle ABE, we have tan 60 as AB by BE. Tan 60 is root 3, AB we don't know, and B is, considering B as x, ED will be 80 minus x. So B is x here. AB will be x root 3 meter. This is our equation 1. Now, in triangle EDC, tan 30 is equals to opposite, that is CD by adjacent, that is ED. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and CD is given as, we don't know, that is what you have to find, and ED is 80 minus x. Cross multiply, you get CD as 80 minus x by root 3. From the question, what you understood, that these two poles have equal heights. So can I say AB is equals to CD? So using this, we'll solve. Hence, AB is equals to CD because the two poles are of equal heights. That is x root 3 is equals to t minus x by root 3. That is x root 3 into root 3 is equals to 80 minus x. We get root 3 into root 3 as 3x, 80 minus x, 3x plus x, this x goes towards that side, it is 3x plus x which is equal to 80. That is 4x is equals to 80, x is equals to 80 by 4. We got x as 20 meter. But this is not our heights of the poles. We have to find AB and CD. AB is x root 3 meter from the equation 1. So can I say AB is 20 root 3 meter now? Therefore height of the first pole is 20 root 3, then second pole should also be 20 root 3. If you want to cross check, substitute the value of x in equation 2 as well. That is CD equal to 80 minus x by root 3, hence you get 80 minus 20 by root 3, you get 60 by root 3, multiplying and dividing it by root 3 by root 3. Always remember there should not be a root term in denominator, so you have to rationalize it. So 60 root 3 by 3, 3 ones are 3 20s are, you get 20 root 3. So this is how it's verified. Therefore the height of the towers is 20 root 3 meter. Fourth question is, a tree is broken without separating from the stem by the wind. The top touches the ground making an angle of 30 degree at a distance of 12 meters from the foot of the tower. Find the height of the tree before breaking. This question was given in June 2016. So let's solve. Solution. On reading the question, we understand that there was a tree. Considering the tree to be A, C, due to wind, what happened is it broke. It didn't break from its stem, but it broke somewhere around here. Let that point be B. The broken part is BC, which is not separated from the tree. Now the diagram looks something like this. This is AB and the broken part BC falls onto the ground at a distance of 12 meters from the foot of the tree. This is the foot of the tree, that is A, which is at 12 meters distance and making an angle of 30 degree. In triangle ABC, tan 30 is equals to AB by AC. What is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is given as, we don't know, and AC is 12. So AB is equals to 12 by root 3 meter. Now in triangle, same triangle ABC, cos 30 is equals to adjacent. Adjacent is AC by hypotenuse BC. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 and AC is what? 12, whereas BC we don't know, we have to find. Then we get BC as 12 into 2 by root 3. So BC is 24 by root 3 meter. In the question they have asked us to find the height of the tree before breaking. So before breaking means what you have to do is, you have to find AC, the whole tree. This is the tree which is before breaking. So we find AC as AB plus BC. What is ABR? 12 by root 3 and BC is 24 by root 3. Doing LCM we get root 3 and this is 12 plus 24. That is 36 by root 3. Rationalizing it, root 3 by root 3, we get 36 root 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3 12s are. Hence our answer is 12 root 3 meter. Therefore height of the tree before breaking is 12 root 3 meter. Fifth question is, two poles are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road which is 50 feet wide. The angle of elevation from bottom of the first pole to the top of the second pole is 45 degree. The angle of elevation from the bottom of the second pole to the top of the first pole is 30 degree. Find the heights of the pole and we have to use root 3 as 1.732. This question was given in March 2017. So let's solve. Solution. On reading the first statement of the question, we understand that there are two poles. This two poles. that is AB and CD. These are the two poles which are on either side of the road. The road is 90 feet wide. The angle of elevation from the bottom of the first pole to the top of the second pole is 45 degree, whereas from second pole's bottom to the first pole's top it is 30 degree. You have to find the heights of the poles. In triangle ABD, tan 30 is equals to opposite, that is AB by adjacent is BD. Tan 30 is given as 1 by root 3 and AB is equals to AB, whereas BD is 90. AB is equals to 90 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Always remember, rationalize if there is denominator as root value. That is 90 root 3 by 3, we get 30 root 3. So AB is given as 30 root 3, but we have to use root 3 as 1.732, right? So AB is equals to 30 into 1.732. On doing that, we get 51.96 feet. Therefore, height of the first pole is 51.96 feet. Now doing the second pole, that is in triangle BCD, tan 45 is opposite, that is CD, by adjacent, that is BD. Tan 45 is 1 and CD we don't know. Let it be CD, and BD is 90 feet. Hence CD is also 90 feet. In the next video, we'll learn about more 5 questions from applications of trigonometry which were asked in the previous year examinations. These are very important 4-mark questions. Thank you guys for watching the video till the end. Please like, share and subscribe as much as you can. If there are any doubts regarding these 5 questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.